Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you the answers of first PUC Economics for Reduced Syllabus 2021 Model Question Paper 2. So let's start. So the answer of question number 1 is A. All economic problems. Question number 2, A. Tabular presentation. Question number 3, A. Poor and non-poor. Question number 4, C. Poor. Question number 5, E. Karnataka. Next, question number 6, class limit. Question number 7, mode. Question number 8, income tax. Question number 9, illiterate. Now match the column. First, D. Loss of questionnaire. Question number 2, total number of observation. 3, consumer price index. Question number 4, a positive development. Question number 5, milk production. Question number 12. A variable is a quantity that may change within the context of a mathematical problem or experiment. Next, question number 13. A pie chart is a circular statistical graphic which is divided into slices to illustrate numerical proportion. Question number 14. When data is classified on the basis of single variable, the distribution is known as the univariate frequency distribution. Question number 15. Outsourcing is a business practice in which a company hires a third party to perform tasks, handle operations, or provide services for the company. Now the answer of question number 16. Seasonal unemployment. Seasonal unemployment happens when people are not able to find jobs during some months of the year. Now next comes the part B. Question number 17. Oil and coals are two resources which have alternative uses. Solar energy can be used as an alternative resource for generating electricity, and same with hydroelectric power generated by water in dams. Now question number 18. There are two sources of data in statistics. First one is statistical source and the second is non-statistical source. Now the answer of question number 19. Exclusive method is used for those series in which the upper limit of one class becomes the lower limit of the next class interval. Whereas in inclusive method, the upper limit of a class does not repeat itself. Now next one is question number 20. Types of bar diagram are vertical bar diagram, horizontal bar diagram, grouped bar diagram, and the last one is stacked bar diagram. Now the next is question number 23. Disinvestment means selling a stake in a company, subsidiary or other investments. Governments often sell stakes in public sector companies to raise revenues. In recent times, central government has used this route to exit losses, making ventures and increase non-tax revenues. Now next is the answer of question number 24. Starvation and hunger are the key features of the poorest households. The poor lack basic literacy and skills and hence have very limited economic opportunities. Poor people also face unstable employment. Now next is the answer of question number 25. Educational achievement of a country can be measured in terms of indicators like adults literacy level, enrollment ratio in schools, years of schooling and teacher pupil ratio. Now next is the answer of question number 26. Moneylenders exploited the rural farmers by, the first one is charging very high rates of interest, the second is making debtors into bonded laborers, and the third trespassing the agricultural lands by misusing their illiteracy.